Tarotify AI is a brand new software that just hit the market, and if you're wondering whether it's worth your time, this review will cover 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Stick around till the end because I'll also give you a way to try it for free, no strings attached. First off, let's talk about what Tarotify AI actually does. It's a marketing tool that automates a lot of the tasks you'd typically spend hours on. Whether it's generating social media posts, coming up with email copy, or crafting tailored content, Tarotify is designed to save you time. It uses advanced AI to understand your brand's voice and adapt content accordingly. This is huge for anyone trying to scale without adding hours of manual work to their schedule. Now, let's dive into the core features that make Tarotify stand out. The first one I have to mention is the customization level. Most AI tools can be pretty generic, but Tarotify focuses on delivering content that truly feels like it's coming from your brand. It learns your preferences and fine-tunes each piece it generates based on your past content, making sure it fits perfectly with your style. If you've struggled with AI that sounds robotic or off-brand, Tarotify has you covered. Another key point is the ease of use. With AI software, the biggest concern can often be a steep learning curve, but Tarotify's interface is super intuitive. From the dashboard, you can easily access all the features without needing a tutorial to get started. That means if you're a small business owner or marketer, you won't waste time trying to figure out the tech side of things. You'll be able to focus on growing your brand instead. But let's talk results because that's why you're here. Tarotify AI doesn't just produce random content. It produces content that works. From social media posts designed for engagement to email subject lines, optimized for open rates, everything is data-driven. The software uses its AI to analyze your target audience and tailor each message to drive the highest possible conversions. It's a smart way to ensure your marketing is hitting the right notes. For those of you running campaigns, the content calendar feature in Tarotify AI is a game changer. It not only helps you plan your posts, but it also recommends optimal times to publish based on your audience's behavior. This is great for marketers who need to stay on top of their content schedule, but don't want to manually track analytics for every post. Now, let's get into the pricing. While Tarotify AI offers a free trial, the paid plans are quite competitive for what you're getting. For a software that delivers personalized, high-converting content at the click of a button, it's priced in a way that will suit both startups and more established businesses looking for efficiency. The plans scale with your needs, so you can always choose what's right for your business without overspending. The integration capabilities are another feature I really like about Tarotify. Whether you're using Shopify, WordPress, or social media platforms like Instagram and Twitter, Tarotify easily integrates into your existing tools. This means you don't have to switch your entire workflow just to take advantage of the power of AI. It's a seamless addition that works where you already are. Finally, let's talk about customer support. Tarotify offers a dedicated support team available to help with any issues you might encounter. Plus, there's a robust knowledge base and community forum for users to connect, ask questions, and share strategies. This makes a big difference if you're new to AI tools and need guidance along the way. If all this sounds intriguing, you can try Tarotify AI for free by clicking the first link in the description below. It's the perfect way to see for yourself how this software can improve your content game. And remember, after trying thousands of AI tools myself, I've put together a list of the best AI software options in the description, all of which you can try for free. Don't forget to check out the links below, and I'll see you in the next video.